Today I'm here at Hatorgodo, linked to Lanwoshime, a certain bridge over here. This is a bridge that one candidate, former candidate, that's Jones Mensah, planned and trying to execute this very footbridge. But upon the construction of this bridge, it seems he left the bridge here without completion, just because something happened during the election. He was not able to win as how he expects. We all understand, we all been told that because of that he left over here and never came back because of this. And what I have this great afternoon to tell Jones Mensah, upon coming here to see what he did over here, it is one of the great job, a superb job you've done over here. Going to Lanwoshime, going to Mamime, some of the youth are talking about you. They are mentioning your name about what you did over here. This is something, not individual project, but you are able to do this. This is something awesome, and we are here to talk about it today because what I've seen, it is not something easy. And people said because of this, you might leave without coming back again. But I am saying you should come back and try your luck. Maybe 2, 2nd, 3, 4th time. You will definitely, because people of Keta municipality will vote for you when they've seen who you are, they've seen you are persistent, you are being with them, you are trying your possible best to make people live well in their constituency. So I will urge you to come back and then come and continue what you are doing over here. Don't just leave it like that because you did not get the votes that you want. So come back and then do this. I have one of the assembly member over here who is right here with me, wanted to talk about this very project that you start over here. I kindly come over so that you talk to us about this very project. It seems it's something they've been talking about this, but I've never been here before. But what I've seen here, it is something we have to talk about. What did you see? What can you say about this? Because I know how the footbridge was. It was a plywood and other things. But what he is able to do over here? What can you tell me?
Honestly speaking, our brother Dr. Jones Mensah did perfectly well because this is just his initiative. Yeah. He started it alone, and this is what he was able to reach. And we are pleading with him, even if he will never come back to contest as a candidate to represent the NDC party, he can even come and complete the project for us, and his name will be written on it. Or he may even choose to support a candidate he thinks the candidate share the same ideology and vision with him, so that we see this project completed. To me, I was not on this project, but what I heard, the project came to a halt due to failure on the part of the constituents in terms of the NDC delegates conference to vote for him to win as a candidate for the NDC. So that made him got annoyed, and he abandoned the project.
But this is not a small project, and I will urge him to come back and then complete this very project. Seriously speaking, people are talking about you. People are mentioning your name of what, even if you did not complete this very project. But what they are saying alone tells me that you have done a human job, you have done a great job over here. And that shouldn't tear you apart for you to just turn back and then say you are not coming to do it. Yes, it is very painful. Even though you spend much on the people over here, but what you were expecting, you did not get it. But I have to urge you to come back and then support this project to make it complete, and then you get some reward after that. Thank you so much. I'm Francis Everlove TV. This is Sinabi TV, Everlove TV. Remember to subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Thank you. Remember, move to YouTube. Full video is on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and be part of this great family. Remember, full video is on YouTube. So subscribe to the channel so that anything that comes, you will be the first person to see the video. So move to YouTube and watch full video. This is just small part of it. Everything is on YouTube. Subscribe and be part of this family.